I am showing you the 4 ways that Americans use the expression, same here, in English. Let's go. First, we use it when talking about feelings, and this is one of the most common uses. For example, if someone says to you, I'm exhausted, you could say, same here, meaning I'm exhausted too. Another example, if someone says, I'm nervous about tomorrow, your response could be, same here. This means I feel exactly the same. The second way that Americans use same here is when agreeing with opinions. If you're having pizza with a friend, your friend could say, I think this is the best pizza in town. Your response, same here. This means I think so too. Another example, your friend could say, I think this restaurant is amazing. Your response, same here. Again, I agree. The third way that Americans use same here is when talking about experiences. A friend could say to you, I've never been to Alaska. Your response, same here, meaning I haven't been there either. Another example, your friend might say, I've never tried sushi. You might respond with, same here, because you've never tried it as well. Very common. The fourth way that Americans use same here is when responding to complaints. Now, Americans often use same here when they have the same problem. Maybe your coworker says to you, my internet keeps disconnecting. Your response, same here, meaning mine does too. Another example, one of your friends says, I'm so busy this week. Your response could be, same here. You're showing that you're experiencing the same thing. Now, the biggest mistake that I want you to avoid is using it in very formal situations. I want you to imagine that you're in an important business meeting. Someone says, I believe this proposal will benefit the company. Instead of saying, same here, you might say, I agree, I share that opinion, I feel the same way. Same here is best for casual conversations. Now, let's work on your pronunciation. Repeat after me. Same here. Same here. Same here. For more slang in English, check out this video.